This is the luxury world. Get inspired with us today and tomorrow. The world of luxury watches is constantly evolving, with shifts in trends, pricing, and market dynamics affecting both enthusiasts and investors. In this video brought to you by the Luxury World, we will serve you a comprehensive guide that provides insights into the current state of watch collecting, detailing models no longer viable for retail resale in the gray market, while also highlighting some exceptional pieces for collectors. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, be sure to do so to stay updated on upcoming content. The bimetal Datejust 41 is a popular Rolex model that combines the classic design of the Datejust with the versatility of bimetal construction. Available in two main configurations, steel and rose gold or steel and yellow gold, this model offers a refined aesthetic with the durability and robustness of stainless steel, paired with the warmth and luxury of precious metals. The 41mm case size strikes a balance between a classic and modern look, appealing to both men and women who prefer a slightly larger timepiece. The Rolex bimetal Datejust 41, a long-time favorite, now retails for £13,450 for steel and rose gold versions and £13,050 for steel and yellow gold versions. These prices exceed what the gray market is willing to pay, making them unprofitable for resale. This price disparity is a key factor for those looking to purchase watches to resell them for a profit. As the bimetal Datejust 41 is no longer commanding a premium in the gray market, it may be more suitable for buyers who wish to keep the watch for personal enjoyment rather than as a speculative investment. Despite this, it remains an elegant and versatile choice for those seeking a luxurious yet durable timepiece, and the iconic Datejust design ensures it retains its appeal for many collectors. Given the trend in the watch market, buyers should be cautious when considering bimetal Datejust 41 models as investments. However, for those who simply appreciate Rolex's craftsmanship and timeless design, this model continues to be a highly respected piece in the brand's collection. Similarly, the bimetal Submariner, with its blue and black dial options priced at £14,200, has also seen diminished resale value. The bimetal Submariner is another iconic Rolex model that combines the ruggedness of the Submariner series with the luxury and aesthetic appeal of bimetal construction. Like the bimetal Datejust 41, the bimetal Submariner features a combination of stainless steel and precious metals, such as steel and yellow gold or steel and rose gold. This hybrid design has become increasingly popular, offering a perfect balance between durability, elegance, and prestige. The steel and gold versions of the bimetal Submariner, particularly the blue and black dial variants, are renowned for their refined look, while maintaining the practical qualities the Submariner is known for, like its water resistance, unidirectional bezel, and rugged case. With a 41mm case, it maintains the classic Submariner size that appeals to a wide range of collectors, whether for daily wear or as a luxury timepiece. The bimetal Submariner, despite its undeniable appeal, is no longer viable for those looking to purchase to flip it for a profit. This is largely due to the recent increases in retail prices and shifts in market demand. However, this does not diminish the value of the watch for personal use or for collectors who appreciate its luxury design and Rolex's superior craftsmanship. The bimetal Submariner continues to be a stunning piece, ideal for those who want a sophisticated dive watch that still retains the legendary performance and durability associated with the Submariner line. The Rolex Root Beer, officially known as the Rolex GMT Master 2 Root Beer, is a highly sought-after model within the Rolex collection. Its nickname comes from the unique color scheme of its bezel, which combines brown and black tones reminiscent of fizzy soda. This watch has become an icon for its retro appeal and modern reinterpretation of a beloved design. Even this popular Rolex Root Beer, retailing at £14,750, struggles to maintain profitability when resold. The Rolex Root Beer remains a popular choice among collectors and enthusiasts due to its unique colorway and timeless appeal. However, the recent retail price increase has affected its standing in the gray market. As of now, the Root Beer is slightly above what many resellers are willing to pay. This makes it less viable for buyers who aim to flip the watch for a profit. Despite this, its desirability and iconic status ensure that it holds strong value for long-term collectors or those looking to wear and enjoy the piece. The steel and gold Sky Dweller is a standout model in Rolex's collection, combining the robust functionality of the Sky Dweller series with the elegance of steel and gold construction. Designed as a sophisticated traveler's watch, it offers a unique blend of utility and luxury, making it a versatile choice for collectors and enthusiasts alike. The steel and gold Sky Dweller, priced at £17,650, also struggled to maintain profitability when resold. Despite the lack of immediate profitability in the secondary market, the steel and gold Skydweller retains its allure for those seeking a premium watch that combines advanced functionality with luxurious design. The model's timeless appeal and Rolex's reputation for durability ensure its desirability for collectors. The steel and gold Skydweller is available in a range of dial options, including black, ivory, and other classic shades. The case is made from stainless steel, complemented by yellow gold or Everose gold accents on the bezel, crown, and center links of the bracelet. This combination delivers a refined yet modern aesthetic that suits both formal and casual settings. The rose gold Yachtmaster Oyster Flex, a favorite among collectors, now retails for £26,200, with better value only possible through pre-owned purchases. Despite these challenges, the allure of luxury watches remains strong. Collectors are increasingly drawn to customizable options and rare finds, allowing them to personalize and enhance their pieces. For example, owners of a rose gold Day 2 can purchase a separate ruby dial for £8,000 to £9,000, giving their watch a fresh and unique appearance without buying an entirely new model. Customization is an appealing avenue for watch enthusiasts, offering flexibility and exclusivity. Beyond watches, other luxury items continue to capture attention. A recent acquisition of a 1.1 kilogram Cuban chain encrusted with 89 carats of natural diamonds exemplifies this trend. The 28mm chain, made of 14-karat gold, is a stunning piece of craftsmanship that stands out even among high-end jewelry. Its sheer size, weight, and intricate detailing make it a statement piece for serious collectors. Such items underscore the ongoing demand for bold and luxurious accessories. Watch dealers are also adapting to shifting seasonal demands. A recent haul of 46 new watches included 20 women's models in steel and gold, ranging from 26mm to 36mm sizes. These pieces cater to the growing demand for festive gifts and milestone celebrations. Popular designs include classic champagne diamond dials, steel and rose gold combinations, and factory diamond studded watches. These options reflect both timeless elegance and contemporary flair, appealing to a wide range of buyers. The process of buying and selling luxury watches and jewelry involves meticulous diligence. Hallmarking, for instance, is an essential step for ensuring the authenticity and compliance of precious metals and stones. Imported items, like the Cuban chain, require hallmarking to provide customers with precise specifications, guaranteeing quality and legality. While the process can be time-intensive, it reassures buyers about the authenticity of their purchases. During the holiday season, watch dealers often shift their focus to smaller, more affordable pieces. Lightweight bracelets, rings, and modest chains are popular choices for gift givers. While larger, high-value items see a spike in demand after the holidays, the festive season is dominated by volume sales of accessible luxury items. This strategic pivot ensures a steady flow of sales and caters to seasonal buying patterns. Despite meticulous planning, challenges like inventory management and market fluctuations persist. Proper logging, tagging, and pricing of stock are critical to maintaining a seamless operation. Leveraging online platforms to display inventory ensures accessibility for buyers worldwide. The luxury watch and jewelry markets remain dynamic and full of opportunities, even amid challenges. With proper market awareness, collectors can find great value in customization and unique acquisitions. For investors, understanding the changing resale landscape is key to making informed decisions. Whether buying for personal enjoyment or as a gift, the appeal of luxury timepieces and accessories endures, driven by their craftsmanship, elegance, and status. What are your thoughts on the Rolex topic that we shared in this video? If you enjoyed the video, we would appreciate it if you let us know by leaving a comment and giving it a thumbs up. Do not forget to follow our channel for more content. Thank you for watching The Luxury World, and we look forward to having you join us in our upcoming videos.